What is semantics in coding or programming? In computer programming, the term semantics refers to the meaning and interpretation of the code and instructions contained within a computer program. Because it dictates how a computer will interpret and carry out the instructions that it is given, it is a key component of the programming process. The syntax of a programming language is the collection of rules that specify how the code for that language should be written. These rules may include requirements for the use of particular keywords, indentation, and punctuation. Semantics are what give the code meaning and make it executable. Syntax is necessary for ensuring that the code is written correctly and can be understood by other programmers. Nevertheless, syntax is not what makes the code executable. The process of studying the meaning of code and instructions contained within a computer program is known as semantic analysis. This includes reviewing the code's variables, functions, and other components to ensure that they are being used appropriately and that they have the meaning that was intended for them. Compilers and interpreters employ semantic analysis to build machine code that can be run by a computer, as well as check for flaws in the code that they are reading and generate. Programming makes use of a variety of different kinds of semantics in its processes. These include lexical semantics, which investigates the meaning of individual words and phrases, and logical semantics, which investigates the logical structure and meaning of the code as a whole. Both of these branches of semantics are known as lexical semantics. The study of pragmatics and semantics focuses on how the code will be executed in the actual world and how it will interact with different types of computer systems. Dealing with ambiguity is one of the most difficult difficulties that arise in the study of semantics in programming. Ambiguity can occur in a piece of programming if the same variable or function is used in more than one context, or if the meaning of a particular variable or function is not made abundantly apparent. This can make it more difficult for other programmers to understand the code, as well as lead to problems in the code itself. In conclusion, semantics in programming is a fundamental component of programming that is responsible for determining how a computer will comprehend and carry out the instructions that it is given. It entails analyzing the meaning of code and instructions to make certain that they are used appropriately and that they have the meaning that was intended for them. A better understanding of semantics can assist programmers in producing code that is not only more effective but also more legible, easier to maintain, and less prone to errors. Let's continue on our coding programming journey. I'll see you in the next video.